Tired of manually transferring data between Aisensy and your other marketing tools? Let's connect Aisensy to Pabbly Connect and unlock a world of automation, making your marketing a whole lot smoother. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account and click on the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a descriptive name, like Aisensy Automation, so you can easily find it later. Now, select Aisensy as your trigger app. This means Aisensy will be the app that initiates the workflow. Choose a trigger event. Let's select New Message so the workflow starts whenever you receive a new message in Aisensy. Pabbly Connect will provide you with a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL, then head over to your Aisensy account, find the Integrations or API section, and paste the webhook URL into the designated field. You'll also need your Aisensy API key, which is usually found within the same integrations or API settings. Now, it's time to define what happens after a new message is received in Aisensy. Click the plus icon below Aisensy to add an action app. You can choose from hundreds of apps like Google Sheets, MailChimp, or any other tool you use for your marketing. Select your desired action. For example, add a new row in Google Sheets or add subscriber in MailChimp. You'll then need to map the data from Aisensy to the corresponding fields in your chosen app, like the sender's name and the message content. Pabbly Connect makes this easy with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Finally, test your workflow to make sure everything is working correctly. If all looks good, toggle the workflow to on. That's it. You've successfully connected Aisensy to Pabbly Connect. Now you can automate your workflows and streamline your customer communication.